Shanghai Yucho Industrial Company Limited, established in 2016, belonging to Yucho Group Limited. It is located in the Pudong New District of Shanghai City. It is an integrated enterprise that is engaged in food machinery research and development, sale and installation, and technical services. For a long time, Yucho Group introduces foreign advanced technology and cooperates with various types of potential food machinery factory. Now we have designed and developed all kinds of food machinery used to produce candy, chocolate, cake, bread, biscuit, and packing machine that have characteristics such as centralized functions, simple operation, and full automatic. Most of products get product certification. Our cooperation company has production base and office building. We also have cultivated, experienced food machinery investment team and our own senior technical team. Our all teams adhere to the business philosophy of strong technical force and advanced machinery performance, quality assurance ability, and honest trade, attracting more and more domestic and foreign customers. Our products were sold to clients from United States, Australia, Egypt, Sri Lanka, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Middle East, South Africa, and other countries and regions of the world. Over the years, the company adheres to the principle of honesty-oriented, quality-based, standing in the specialized international perspective, wholeheartedly, carefully, and enthusiastically service for all world food industry demand. Sincerely hope Yucho can help you produce delicious good and enables you to create considerable benefits.